What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grem. And pag-usapan natin dito yung SEA Games pool na ni-release today. And maganda yung maganda yung mga names na nakita ko. Hindi ko na-expect yung ibang pangalan na kala ko kasi tapos na sila. And then we just realized na nga pala, hindi pala si Coach Tim Cone yung head honcho for this December. It's gonna be Coach Norman Black. And some of the names that stood out here, of course, KQ and QMB. But nagbabalik Matthew Wright, Ray Parks, SJ Belangel, Remy Martin, Boogie Ellis, Kihei Clark, with some of the college guys like Mason Amos, Kian Baklaan, and Mike Phillips, no? And the first thing I want to talk about here is, what do you think about this squad? Loaded, overloaded? Do you feel like, I feel like we're gonna follow the FIBA rules na one naturalized player, but knowing that na they're gonna be backstopped by Justin Brownlee, do you think we could win the gold with this kind of team na nakita nyo? And also dagdag na rin natin si Dave Ildefonso kasi yun yung isang article na willing daw ipahiram ng MPBL yung mga stars nila. So that's
Oh,
Gio
Steve, yeah, Gio
and
also.
Dave. Gio and
Yeah.
Dave.
Didn't
Okay,
we
Mario.
win? Didn't we win nung without this lineup? Like our last
Naalala mo yung last SEA Games kasi, yun yung kalaban natin yung Cambodia with
yung
five,
Cambodia.
Yeah,
with
dude.
five
Oo.
Americans.
That was Brownlee, Chris Ross, Marshall Lasso,
BGR,
ADR, Junmar,
Yeah.
Mike P.
Mike. Yeah, Mike was there also. Honestly, man, this lineup should win. I mean, this is just the pool so far, naman, diba? But
Oh,
so it doesn't really. There's no final list yet there. But the SEA game rules, kung di alam ng iba, medyo mas lenient ang SEA game rules sa alam ko. Actually, it depends on the host country.
what they're
Pero
gonna do though, Mario, based on the article, is that Bangkok is gonna lean towards the FIBA rules. So one naturalized player lang.
yeah, but what do Remy Martin count as?
Yun yung mga di natin alam. Did they get their passport?
Biglang
Oh,
nagsilabasan,
sure.
biglang
Biglang
nagsilabasan ng
nagsilabas.
passport eh.
Biglang hinanded out like cards. Come on!
Ever
Tayo,
since,
hirap na hirap tayo kumuha ng passport, no? Tapos sila, hey, you have a passport kahit wala pa.
I don't know, maybe these dudes, all of them hired QMB's lawyers. So that's why all of
Paldo yung lawyer, no? Paldo.
grabe daming email na kuha ng lawyer nung gabing yun. Yung isa, Remy
Hey,
Martin.
ang daming hey you up.
Ang daming, hey, Q introduced me to you. So, like, that's probably nangyari, man. Or whatever. Kasi ang daming pangalan bigla na people aren't sure if they're locals or not, who all of a sudden want to play as locals. Si Mike Phillips, yung ano niya is the eligibility has been questioned for a while. Remy also. I'm not sure about Boog Ellis and the other
Si
guy.
Boogie Ellis. And
Yeah.
well, basta I'm excited about SJ Belangel. That
Hey
guy
man,
needs to have a
that's
slot
if
back.
Coach Norman chooses him.
Yeah, depende pa rin kay Coach Norman.
Malay mo, dude. Malay mo, it's gonna be Scott Thompson again. You never know.
No, there's a PBA season. We're not gonna see the PBA
No,
guys.
yeah, you're right.
We are not
That's why
going to see the
malalim
PBA
yun.
guys.
Also, let's talk. This is so funny now. Yeah, sorry. I will follow the flow as much as I can.
We will follow the flow.
Yeah, I caught myself, man. I was like,
Number 2. Are we gonna move on to number 2? Are we
number
gonna
one, yeah.
assume? Oh
We
yeah,
should
yeah,
win
go.
this, man.
No, I mean,
Hmm.
ako, this is overloaded, but this is the this is the perfect time
Tapsilog.
di ba? This is the perfect time to overload kasi
Yeah.
remember siguro mga 4 or 5 SEA games ago, pinadadala natin yung college players lang natin, di ba? And when we still
It's
beat
been a while.
every team that we face without any trouble. Now, siguro nag-catch up na yung competition or we probably got worse, I don't know. But remember,
Dumama yung passports ng ibang bansa din kasi.
namigay din sila ng passport.
Namigay din sila.
Yeah, you want a passport? You want a passport?
Na-contact din nila yung lawyers ni QMB.
There you go. All right. All I'm saying is, we're, if not the only, one of the few countries in Southeast Asia na nagpapakamatay sa basketball more than football. So we should win this. Because if not, then, imagine the backlash that Coach Norman will get, di ba? But hey, it's weird, no? Because Coach Norman is the one handling it, biglang lumalim yung pool. So pwede naman palang ganun, di ba?
Kasi nga, wala namang limitations yung pool ni Coach Norman eh. But there's another
Bagay,
thing I wanna say. And how dare you, Nico? How dare you? You forgot about the Gomez de Leano brothers.
Oh yeah, the GDLs
How
are of course
dare
gonna be
you
there.
leave out Javi Gomez de Leano,
This
the
guy's the
future
biggest Javi
Barangay
fan.
Ginebra
So
jinx.
forget one.
Oh, sorry,
Why,
and
how
now,
the
sabi.
si Javi lang pala eh, no? Siya lang ba yung GDL doon?
Brother, those guys should be on Gilas, especially Javi. But
Mm.
wait, let's go into so like I told you guys, Nico actually sent us a flow.
Yeah, I want to make shorts out of our
We're gonna follow it this
segments.
time as much as possible. Naturalized
Yeah.
cultivate. Brown Leavers of this brother, just give it to honestly, it probably will be JB. It probably will be. But in my honest opinion, why not just go for somebody else?
Yeah. Who do you want to try? Who do you want to try? Sina Boogie Ellis, Kihei Clark, yung mga pangalan doon. Those are point guards. Boogie Ellis and Kihei Clark.
Why not give it to Kwame?
Kwame's already naturalized. So pwede rin si Kwame. Pero
No,
papagamit
yeah,
pa siya ng
yun nga eh.
I'm not sure it's gonna be in France. Kasi kinuha siya sa France, diba? Sa French league. So,
Okay. Well,
yung
that's
question
an
dun
issue.
is ongoing ba yung league?
Uh,
So that's one.
Honestly,
So,
I think it's high time you kind of try a point guard, no?
Pwede.
No.
You wanna try, no?
Yeah,
Ayaw mo?
let's try
Ayaw mo,
point guard.
Grem?
we are loaded with guards.
Ayaw mo. Ayaw bigay ni Grem.
Okay, name the guard.
I'm just saying.
Ano
I'm just
bang
saying.
may ganun dito?
I never thought na dapat point guard yung kukunin natin, naturalized player. Unless it's a Miles Powell kind of point guard na talagang bubuhatin ka in the
Love
entire
that guy.
game.
He will never. I don't think he would. I don't
Oh,
think.
did I get the right guy from Bay Area?
Yeah, that's
Miles
Miles Powell. You're correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Unforgettable
No, because
yun.
Oo, kasi I don't want to butcher names like Al Marwani and Al Suway.
Almaro.
Hey, they're both real players. We googled it after.
Kasi nandun ako sa inyong
It just so
ginugol ko.
happens na may
Natama yung naisip ko.
May kapangalan.
Oo.
Na hindi basketball player.
Got it.
Skip it right there. So are we in the collective now? Most likely Brownlee na to. It's gonna be JB.
It probably is, but I hope it's not. Just
Yeah,
because.
same.
Why
You
not
wanna try someone new?
It's the SEA Games, dude.
Actually.
SEA Games. And Brownlee is turning 57 next year.
That's right. That's right.
Right? So like,
Let the man rest.
yeah, let the man rest, man. Coach Tim's been riding him like a horse.
Brother, alam mo, this is the perfect time sana na for Junmar to redeem himself. Kaso PBA season.
Brad,
kakainin niya yung buong
wag na
buo,
rin. Parang kahit pwede, wag na rin. Medyo umay
Graham,
na eh.
don't believe me. Graham, believe me though. He'll redeem himself against Ginebra. Don't worry. Don't worry.
For sure.
He'll make you forget.
For sure.
Diba?
For sure, man. For sure.
Makakalimutan nyo ulit na nga pala.
All of a
PBA
sudden,
goat nga pala.
all of a sudden,
nga
we
pala,
forget
no?
all about it.
Pala.
Yun nga, I think same kami ni Graham dito, man. Na if it
So
anyone,
let's go. Are we gonna try? So tayo, yung susunod tayo, we're gonna have someone, we're gonna experiment someone new, pero knowing Coach Norman and of course the SBP brass, they might just stick with, okay, who's there? Brown League, you're good? Okay. Most likely magiging ganun.
Probably.
Knowing how things work right now. Pero damn, I wanna try out si Kihei Clark, Boogie Ellis. You'll never know. Ito yung audition nila eh, di ba?
alam mo, local sila.
Malay mo, di ba?
Wala pa tayong word as of right now. No?
Yeah.
August 18, 2025.
Basta, this is what they've been saying, man. If you don't know if you're a Filipino or not, contact QMB's lawyers. You're gonna be a Filipino. That's how it goes.
Tomorrow. Guarantee it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I agree.
It's like Better Call Saul yung mga ano niya eh, no? Did you guys watch that?
Yeah.
I never watched
no.
that. They said it's good though.
It's really good.
This guy
Breaking Bad
refused-
universe, Mario. No, still a student, Graham. It's okay. He has to study.
This guy refused to watch the best thing, Slam Dunk, di ba?
Actually, yeah, he hasn't
Breaking Bad,
watched
Better Call
Slam Dunk.
Saul.
Have you guys watched High School Musical, the musical, the series? No?
Yung panahon mo? Yung panahon mo na? Yung ngayon?
Yeah.
Hindi. Matanda na kami.
Anyway, dude. So, there's another thing we've talked about here is how if sila SJ and KQ will be allowed to play based on their mother teams. Honestly, I'm not super sure kasi SEA Games lang to. Di naman naglalaro yung Korea and ano dito eh. Korea
No,
and
actually, yung meron ang dilemma kasi I think the ongoing season yung KBL and B League during that time. And those
Mhm.
leagues do not pause
For the
their
SEA Games.
seasons for the SEA Games. 'Di ba?
Kasi
First
wala
of all,
naman
di naman
sila
sila
Southeast Asia, di
first of
ba?
all, di sila part ng Southeast Asia. So
That's
we
right.
have
little
to
geography lesson there.
Oo nga pala. We have to move on with the fact na there's a big chance, not small chance, there's a big chance na hindi papahiram sina Matthew Wright, Ray Parks, KQ, Belangel, and whoever submitted their names to this list of Coach Norman. So
Yeah.
Pero yung tanong ko dyan, bro, why will they submit their names if they know they might not be able to play?
I think it's just the intention. Feel ko may intention na Coach Norman, you got us. So kung di kami pwede, blame it on our team. Feel ko ganun na yung nangyayari ngayon. It's
Pero if
more of
coach,
support lang talaga for SBP na try nyo kami na okay, feel free to bother us. Pero kung
Honestly,
sabi
kasi
ng team namin, bawal.
yung sa
Hindi bawal.
Korea, I think there's a decent chance sa Korea that they might let KQ and SJ go. Just
Mm.
because um there are times in the Korean league where imports just don't play all of a sudden.
Mm.
So, and I didn't really do the research as to why they would do that. Pero very possible nga na KQ and SJ are lent. And I'm not sure about hindi ko lang talaga sure yung mga Japan boys.
Mm.
Because Japan is very strict with their rules sa mga imports nila. And, but then, honestly, it's more exciting to me the fact that the three of them, Matthew, um, Ray, and SJ are all willing to still wear a Gilas jersey. So, I think yan yung favorite part ko about it. Not necessarily that they're gonna play sa SEA Games, but at least they want to still play for Gilas.
Mm.
si Dwight ba is still, in consideration? Si Papa
He's,
Dwight?
I mean, he plays in Japan.
Yeah, yun nga di ba?
I'm not really
So-
sure. It's really up to him. Malay mo, he's tired, man.
Kasi the fact na si Ray was like si Ray gave his name, baka knowing Dwight is understandable na okay, sige, na bibigyan
Why
niyo rin
not,
pangalan.
diba?
But let's see, depende rin talaga sa B-League teams eh.
Or malay mo, ayaw ni Dwight Ramos kay Coach Norman. You'll never know. You'll
Actually,
never know.
kung dahil di niya lang kilala.
It looks like there are a lot of names who don't like Coach Tim. So, malay mo.
No, biglang naglabasan no?
Biglang naglabasan
yung...
yung-
pala. Okay, let's go. Let's submit our names.
Siguro nalaman nila si Coach Norman yung captain, tumawag sa nanay nila, Ma, you have my passport? Yung mga ganun.
yung mga ganun.
Ito, nasa likod ng closet mo.
I agree.
Ilang taon ba ako nung nakuha ko yan?
Wala lang tatak kasi US passport mo lagi ginagamit mo. But,
Walang tatak. Exactly. Lahat ng stamp na sa US visa. So,
yeah, I agree. No, it's I'm confident. Lagi naman ako confident pag SEA Games because we used to talaga trash these opponents, 'di ba? But times have changed and yung Saudi nga, 'di ba? Sa FIBA Asia Cup gave us trouble. So the competition nakakahabol na unti-unti.
what place in the SEA Games, man?
Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam,
Oh, come on.
Indonesia,
Here's the-
Malaysia.
Indonesia,
Timor-Leste.
yung last na nag-silver tayo, diba? It was Indonesia. Nung Coach Chot. That was the silver.
Ano yun? That's kasi import nila nun si Marquis Bolden.
Yung nga pala, Marquis Bolden.
Marquis
no?
Bolden, man. Talagang
How much
mahirap.
did you win? How much did you win in that?
Na,
He
it's
lost hell
how
of
much
money
I
for
lose,
sure.
brother.
He lost hell of money.
I never go against the blue and yellow, whatever we call ourselves. Blue and
The
yellow.
Gilas.
The Gilas, whatever. The colors, whatever we wear, man. But honestly, okay, ito yung sasabihin ko dyan and Graham will agree with me on this.
Mm.
Mga pangalan na yan, yung Vietnam, yung this one more country.
Thailand, Malaysia.
Thailand, just Vietnam and Thailand. Yung mga country na yan, man, dinudurog tayo sa volleyball eh.
Volleyball.
If you're gonna
Actually.
dominate a team, you dominate them in basketball right now, man.
Yeah.
Although, hey, man, the volleyball scene in the Philippines is getting really, really fun, especially the women's one.
Hey.
Wait for six-man pod volleyball edition. So,
Oy, we're experimenting
malay
with it.
mo,
We're
diba?
thinking paano
Down
i-integrate
the
it.
line,
Iniisip natin
down the
paano.
line.
hey, let's see if we have the crowd for it, man.
Yeah, try natin.
And by the way, thanks to those who showed love sa sa comments when Nico uploaded it sa YouTube and sa IG. I appreciate it. People are yung iba na surprise. Oh, ano pala siya? Ano, hindi lang pala siya
Hindi na siya false
Ginebra fan sa
prophet.
6-man pod, di ba? Hindi lang siya false prophet. So, yeah, guys, I do that not for a living. That's a sideline that I really love doing. My initial dream was to be in the PBA, but I gave up on that already.
As a
Kasi
player?
exposed no, as a game announcer, as a commentator,
As a
something.
player.
I gave up on that. Hey, I'm already in. I'm Almo Busotros. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I was gonna say, you're halfway there.
No, but I'm saying na I gave up on my PVA dream already kasi I'm exposed, man. They're not gonna assign me to any Hinebra games, even if I
Oh,
make
yeah.
it.
Sobrang
So,
exposed.
What do you mean?
Who is it?
They assign blank to Hinebra games even if he's a diehard Hinebra fan.
Whoa.
I cannot speak on that. I cannot speak on that. But yeah, thanks guys. It's a cool job. It's a cool job to do. You get to meet your idols, diba? And thanks. I
Basta wag
really
yung humingi ng
appreciate it.
ticket, diba?
Ha?
Basta wag sila humingi ng ticket.
Oh yeah, actually wala talaga ako noon yung ticket. My pull is not that hard. But man, you're right. Kailangan natin talunin tong Vietnam and Thailand sa basketball because of volleyball, we are not close. We are we're getting
We're
closer
getting
to
there.
them.
We're getting there.
We're getting there,
We're getting
but the
there.
gap is still big. Basketball though, I think we are still miles ahead sa Thailand and Vietnam. Yung mga bansa na yan, yung mga nakikita mo sa piso sale ng Cebu Pacific, yan Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia. So anything na makita mo sa website ng Cebu Pacific, you should beat them in basketball outside of Japan.
Not sponsored by Cebu Pacific, by
That's
the way.
Pero kung gusto nyo,
Unless,
kung gusto nyo.
why not Cebu
unless
Pacific?
though.
Frequent flyers here.
Yeah, hey man.
Frequent flyers here.
Send me anywhere you want. I'm gonna be there.
Yeah, that's right.
But going back to the
Insane.
team itself, it isn't just yung mga ano, diba? Not just those people. There's actually the UAAP talents who are actually gonna.
Yeah, actually wanna go there nga. Who are the college stars aside from Mike Phillips, Mason Amos, and Kian Baclaan do you guys want to see with the SEA Games?
How about si Jacob Cortez?
Pwede si Jacob. Puro Lasal So padala na lang natin Lasal kung ganun.
Sama na si Coach
That's
Topex.
Si Coach Topex na rin, sama mo.
Dude, why don't we bring in Clint Escamis?
Hey!
Ayun na nga, sa mga
Pero
ganun.
legit though. Pwede ba natin sama si Clint Escamis?
Hey. Clint
I remember that pod. Di ko talaga makakalimutan yun. That pod.
Brother, if Nico and I started sa Pinoy Liga Cup, di ba, ni Mr. Benny Benitez, and we're forever grateful. If there's a Pinoy Liga Cup Hall of Fame, Clint Escamis
Clint
the first one
Escamis.
to walk. Clint Escamis.
That was my first game. I covered an Ateneo versus Mapua game, and Clint Escamis was eating Paul Garcia and the rest of Ateneo during that time.
Brother, yeah, first game ko rin was sa Mapua San Beda University.
He was averaging
game.
like 5-7 steals a game.
Brother, Clint Escamis was hunting Clifford Hopia all game long.
Layo ng talent no? Disparity, pero Clint Escamis was just there para lang talaga magpapawis and get his
kasi
reps.
galing ata siya sa UE nung panahon na yun.
No, galing siya ng UE.
He transferred back to Mapua, so kailangan niya ng reps. But yeah, why not? Why not Clint Escamis, di ba? He's an NCAA MVP.
Harold, how about mga UP? Harold Alarcon? Do you think Harold with Gilas would... Why, Mario? Why? Why don't you like Harold Alarcon for Gilas? Yung mukha ni Mario...
Okay, here's what I truly believe. Players who go under Coach Gold's system do not match Coach Tim's system. Sorry, si Coach Norman na nga pala to. But I wouldn't know anything about that. Pero kasi, yung players ni Coach Gold, medyo iba talaga yung ginagawa. Iba talaga ang breed
more of
ng
pinapa-improvise ba sila? You feel so? Ganun.
Oo. Yung offense kasi ng UP, talagang, brother, pwede ka mag-isolate. Defense lang yung pakiko. Gets ba?
He's a very defensive type.
UP's whole thing, by the way. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Please don't.
Oh.
Please don't. Please don't.
Di ba nakita natin siya, Mario, dun? Anyway, say go, Mario Menem.
He's my
talaga?
Facebook. We're friends on Facebook.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, random fun fact, yeah. But Harold, yung UP boys kasi defense talaga. The offense will come however it may come. Pero defense yung paki ng mga UP boys eh. The only one who I would hope that they consider sa mga UP boys, although he's not really a UP boy anymore, why not bring back Francis Lopez?
Yeah,
You know,
Y-
why not?
Francis Lopez will be in Japan though. So yun yung another concern
Saan ba si
natin.
JD
shucks, so we won't
Kagulangan?
have, Jamie Malonzo.
Oh no! Ala, sure silver na
Oh,
tayong walang
wow. Oh,
Jamie.
whoa, no.
Oh no!
Did we ever have him over the past 2 weeks? No, nasa ba si JD Kagulangan? Is he
JD's
in
in
Korea?
Korea
He's also
also.
in Korea. He was the
He
rookie
plays
of the
for
year.
Pusa.
Nakakatapos
Did
ang
he
galing
submit
eh.
his name? Did he submit his name, si JD? No? Okay. Well,
Honestly, the
that
other
would be
guy
nice.
sa UP, I'm trying to think of there's a guy in UP who I'm low-key
Sino ba?
forget.
We can go through the UAP teams first and then we can go through NC. Because I'm sure there is we could build an all UP NCAA team. If sabihin ng
Oo.
KBL and Japan na we need these guys, laki-laki na binabayad namin. And true enough, malaki binabayad nga sa mga Asian imports natin.
And,
Yeah,
and
they do.
brothers, alam mo, we used to send those guys lang sa why not Arvin Tolentino, di ba? Dati pinadadala lang yan sila
Korea.
Arvin, sila Garvo Lanete, di ba? Sa SEA Games and
The days! Nag-gold tayo nun eh. Nag-gold pa tayo nun.
easy,
Pero,
easy.
pero nakaka-catch up na ngayong mundo eh. Yun nga
Kiefer
yun.
Ravena, Base Ramer, di ba? Yun lang yung pinadadala.
Hey, basta Emerson and Lex, calm down.
Ay, hindi pala
let go.
Hey,
papayagan.
man.
Hindi pala
We
papayagan.
need this we need them for this campaign. For
That's
our
enough index talk.
championship
That's-
redemption
okay,
tour.
Okay, the mandatory index talk.
Okay, so
over.
meron pa ba sa UP? So let's first, di ba Lasal? Okay, we got the Lasal
We're
boys.
good. We're good.
Sa UP, sino ba? Wala.
Brother, why not si kaso wala yung name niya sa pool. I'm thinking about Andy Himao.
He's in the US, he's in Canada. Where we
Yeah,
can,
nga eh, diba?
let him
Wala.
cook there.
Yeah, I
But
know.
technically, parang UP naman, he actually suited up for UP for one
There's
Pinoy
one
Liga
guy
game.
na gustong-gusto ko talaga in the collegiate stage. Si Manalili. I'm not gonna
Si
say the
Titing
first name.
Manalili. Okay lang.
Yeah,
Titing
si
Manalili.
Jonathan Manalili.
Oo.
Jonathan Manalili. I really like that guy. I like guys who
Manalili.
can pass, and he's so flashy with his passes, si Manalili. So, why
Dude,
not
I
him,
have a
diba?
name.
Yeah. Go.
Stable, sorry.
You're good, you're good.
You're kind of lagging, but go ahead.
But
You're
as
good.
long as the audio's good, then that's fine.
Is it better now? I fixed.
Yeah,
I
way
changed
better,
Wi-Fi.
way
Basta okay yung audio mo.
Okay. Why not Nick Caballero?
Nick Caballero. Oo nga, no? Nick Caballero is a
Mm.
great wing to have for the SEA Games team. Yeah, Nick Caballero would be great. Especially
but
if yun nga.
I'm taking Javi over Nick.
Yeah, pero you need, kaya pa rin naman eh. You can still put Nick there sa mga wings.
Why not Nick Caballero? And I'm trying to run through the rest of the other teams right now.
Sige. Padrigaw, you think Fortsky? You let him? Not yet. Laki ng...
You have the guard. You have the guard. You have the guard.
We have the guards.
Puno na yan. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, kaya ako ng point guard na natural.
Imagine mo si Kaimani Ladi was a local. I don't think he's a
man,
local.
My prayers. Yeah,
I don't think he's a
Ateneo
local.
Ateneo fans out there, and I know there are some of you who are watching. Man, y'all should be so excited for this upcoming season. The lineup depth Ateneo has this year is so fun to watch. I covered them when they went to the Pasika tournament. I covered them in the Asia Basket. I covered them when they went to Japan. When they beat each team by almost 40, by the way. And Kimani Ladi is special. Dom Escobar is special. Divine Adili is gonna be an FSA winner. Di ba kasi bago na yung FSA award?
Yeah. So you have Divine as a top 2 FSA.
Oh
Up
yeah,
to.
dude, not even close. Divine's gonna be it. And honestly, it's a much better Jared Bahay now. Man, if you're Ateneo, you should be so excited.
Is he
But
better than Padrigaw right now, si Bahay? Or still no?
Oh, no. Personally, I still have Fortsky over Jared Bahay. As of right now. Kasi may angat na years si Fortsky. Been to the finals. Iba pa rin yung galing dun sa finals.
Okay.
I want
For
to
me.
say
Watch
something,
out.
but I probably shouldn't. So I'm just gonna leave it at
Maybe-
that.
Hey, better Nico, better watch your comments. Remember last time you ranked si Mason Amos 5th sa forward list.
He
mo,
watches
hindi
the
mo
podcast. He
Survivor.
watches the podcast. I would... And ano naman eh. He watches the podcast. Like he knows
Yeah,
where he was. I remember
Yeah.
that. He said a screenshot. It's like, oh shit, this guy really watched it.
You're crazy, bro.
In a list with
Uh-oh.
FSAs. I would be pretty happy if
No. Alam mo, he only took offense to having Divine over him. Doon lang siya na ano, why do you have Divine over me? Yun lang. Gets niya daw yung iba. Kay Divine lang siya na off. Na bakit why did I
Hey,
have him over?
You'll see. You'll see.
There are certain
You'll
players na parang may inis kapag nirank over sa'yo.
Yeah,
Parang
he
nainis
was
ako pag
fine
nirank.
with the rest daw eh. Kay Divine lang siya na bakit
Oo.
siya 6, ako 7. Sabi
Parang
niya okay
nainis
lang.
ako pag nirank si Jordan over LeBron. Nainis ako. No, I don't want to stay in that conversation.
Hey man, this is not an NBA podcast.
I
I'm
agree
just
though. I
saying.
agree though. Man, I don't know.
Wait,
My
sino pa
is
ba?
when,
Ano pa ba? Like, na-intriga ako
dude,
dito
I
sa
don't know.
UAP
I think
NCAA.
yung the NBA.
It's
Oh, Wi-Fi is so
it's ano
bad.
kasi when we think of college guys, parang meron naman na kasi sa Japan eh. Yung mga kakagraduate lang from college. So why not roll with them? Pero ito nga, my mentality always with the SEA Games kasi is ano eh. As Mario completely froze. My mentality with the SEA Games talaga is this is a tournament that we always win. So we can send the young
Feel
guys
ko
nga from
hindi na ako
the
confident ngayon, Grem.
NCAA. Really?
Especially after that loss against Indonesia. May tulog na tayo lagi eh. Hindi sa SEA Games. There's always gonna be that one team na underestimate natin tapos magugulat tayo. Talo tayo by 1? Ha? Panalo lang
That's
tayo
our
by 5?
that probably was our lowest point kasi especially that was the time na parang si Coach Chot paalis na eh, 'di ba? Or talagang
Well, he was
inuusig na siyang umalis eh, 'di ba?
tapos
At
bumalik lang
that
siya because
point.
Coach Tab didn't want the job, di ba? Kasi parang,
Oo.
yeah, that was a whole saga in itself leading up to the World Cup noong
Did you
2023.
lose audio, Nico?
Me?
Or was I
No?
tripping?
Nice,
Okay
nice.
lang ako. I'm good.
Okay.
Kung MPBL, sino sa mga MPBL ko rin? Si Mario,
Sino
master niya yung mga
Defonso?
MPBL. Yeah, si Dave, si Jeyo, Encho. Sino pa, Mario? Sino pa gusto mo sa ano? Greg Zilla?
Sa MPBL,
Oh,
puta.
gusto nyo mag-represent from
At
MPBL?
dami dun, man. Let's send
Sino
out
gusto mo? Sa akin
Sydney
mga
Greg Zilla.
Onwubere.
Dragon. Ha?
Sydney Onwubere.
He's there? Nasa MPBL siya ngayon?
Yeah.
Wala ba sa Northport yun?
Wala na pala sa North.
Tama ba?
All-
Sorry, wait. I might be thinking of the wrong guy. Give me a second.
Wait.
I'm never confident when Mario, especially with these
No, he
names.
loves the
I'm so
MPBL for
wrong.
obvious
I'm so
reasons. Sino ba?
I'm so wrong, by the way. That's my bad. Not Sydney Onwubere. I'm so sorry. Shucks, I
Who's
forgot
that
the name of the guy.
kalilipat lang? Si Bulanadi. Si
Alain
ata
Bulanadi
yung
ba,
kalilipat.
Mario?
Alin Bulanadi.
Alain Bulanadi
Yeah,
was the one
Bulanadi.
that ran.
Is Abra? Is he Abra?
I don't
Ano,
know,
he's
man.
a-
Basta
Not sure.
Basta alam ko sila magcha-champion.
Alain
Abra.
Yeah.
Bulanadi MPBL.
Yeah, Bulanadi's MPBL.
Pangasinan. He's Pangasinan, Mario.
Pangasinan,
Coach Jerson ata.
Dude, honestly, the MPBL is just gonna be Dave and maybe Gio. If you want to have fun with it, go ahead
But
and
LJ
take
Gonzalez. LJ. Hindi, dami ng guards eh. Sobrang dami ng guards.
Encho. You could go Encho if you want,
Encho.
but I don't really think. Yeah, honestly, that's fine. Unless you want Gabayni back in the Gilas pool, but that's fine.
Gabayni.
Dude, and Gio Chu.
Ayan.
No, you're not.
No,
You're not.
Okay.
we're serious about losing. Sige.
No, you're not. You're not serious about that. Funny guy you are. But okay.
But I think
the
Gio
college
Chu,
starts.
in all seriousness, Gio Chu dapat nandyan.
Yeah, I don't mind. Gio's been with Gilas na rin, so it's not like he's a stranger to Gilas. He's been with Coach Tab. Coach Tab
And
Gilas yan.
the way you all hype si Gio Chu,
He didn't hype
siya
Gio
sa
Chu.
akin.
He's properly
No,
hyped. He's just properly rated.
No, kayo parang
Properly.
sinasabi niyo, oh, Gio
Yung
Chu
SGA, he was
is
properly rated.
Oo, yun nga. Hindi parang sinasabi mo, oh, he's way better than his Ateneo days.
Oo, malayo.
Yeah.
Di ba, Mario?
Oh, okay, then go.
He's better than Jackson Hayes.
This guy just your hate with Jackson Hayes is weird, brother. It's serviceable.
Hey man, there's a Wami Johnson in every league, brother.
There's a Wami Johnson in every-
Ara San Agustin, I'm a big fan. Please, I apologize on behalf of the Six Man Pod for every time we mention Wami Johnson.
You are forgiven daw. You are forgiven daw.
May mga nag-comment kasi na may mga nagsasabi na ay mas magaling si Wami sa akin. I know he's better than me, guys. He's a PBA player. But
That's
you know,
Dapat lang, mas magaling siya sa akin. Dapat sabi mo.
Yeah.
he gets paid to do that. If I like he should be better than me. But you know, I'm just not the biggest fan because you know There are times when Junior takes a backseat to Wami Chongson all of a sudden, man, and that surprises me. But going back to the topic at hand,
Yes.
we
Any
have
other
this.
college players?
Wala na yan, okay
You
na
guys
yan,
are good.
man.
I think we're good, yeah.
I think
I'm
we're
Zayn Mahmoud.
Oh, sige, next topic, Mario.
Okay. Next na. So, who's missing? Who's
Mm-mm.
missing?
I think I'm good with the names. Actually, I've built my 12-man lineup already for
I
for
have it. You guys
SEA
are
Games. I already built one while we were talking. I was like on the side.
Ay.
Oh,
Did you
I
include
haven't
yung
done
mga
it.
Japan? Did you include yung Japan boys?
I only tinanggal ko yung Japan boys. Naglagay lang ako ng isang naglagay ako ng 2 KBL players assuming na papayagan sila.
So no Japan boys and no what do you call this? PBA
Naglagay lang-
players?
No PBA, no Japan. Naglagay ako ng 2 KBL players.
Okay.
I'm gonna put all of whoever I want. I don't,
O sige,
I don't-
sige, ikaw yun, sa'yo yun. Kay Mario yung sabihin natin, kayong dalawa na lang yung yung sabihin natin pinayagan lahat from KBL and the B-League.
I didn't know we
I
were at
don't
that
think
stage.
I don't think the PBA will stop in the middle of the
Will
conference.
not.
Yeah.
They will.
Don't add the PBA
I'm not
players.
gonna
Wala
include
talaga.
PBA
Wag mo
players.
include. Don't include. I
Oo.
didn't include any PBA players.
I'll include a PBA player there, but that's because he doesn't play any minutes.
This guy refused to take
Oh, sige.
orders, brother. This guy refused
No,
to
it's
take
okay.
orders.
It's for the content, man. It's for the content. Kailangan to for the
Yeah,
content.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll start first. I'll start first.
I didn't know we were at this point of the podcast where we were giving our 12. I know I told you guys I was gonna ask for it.
No,
but
I'll give mine muna. Then you guys
Wala.
think about your ano. So akin yung 12. So akin, guys, are the 12 na walang B-League players. Sabihin natin Japan would say, ayaw namin pahiram kasi laki-laki ng bayad namin dyan eh. Okay, gets.
Mhm.
Pero sa akin, may 2 KBL players knowing na siguro may goodwill tayo with the Koreans, which we do have. They keep coming here. They bring their players here. We bring our college guys there. So it's a good relationship. So I have 2 KBL guys with me. Anyway, for the bigs, QMB, Gio Chu, Mike Phillips, Mason Amos. That's 4. For the forwards, we got KQ, my first KBL player na pinayagan ng Sonos Sky Gunners. So, go KQ. Do your thing. 1 week ka lang na mawawala. 11 days. December 9 to 20. Javi GDL will be there. Dave will be there. And nalagyan na rin natin Justin Brownlee. Sabihin natin SBP couldn't get any passports issued for Kihei Clark, Remy Martin in time. And baka sabihin na rin natin na the host country would say, isa lang gamitin nyo. And we're gonna follow FIBA rules. So that's why JB. For my guards, to round off the 12, Kian Baklaan, SJ Belangel, Juan GDL, and Jason Brickman. Those are my 12. Knowing na may restrictions ang B-League sa pagpapahiram sa atin. Tapos si UAP, go!
Take them.
Take them.
Yeah.
So, take Coach Topex also. So, Coach Nor, Coach Topex. I reserve it. Grem, ikaw next. Meron ka na ba, Grem?
I kulang ako isa eh. It's not per position, so I just off
Oh
the top of my
my
head.
God. No way.
Ano?
Okay.
No
Ano,
way.
Please not say the things that I'm
No way
Mario.
in hell. There's
Actually,
no
guys,
way
kapag
in hell.
kapag nag-subscribers na tayo, na yung paid subscribers, you'll have access to our chat during,
No way. In God's blue earth. Baka mauna pa ako sa gilas.
Okay. All right. So I have
Kung nakita nyo lang
Brownlee.
chat sa amin ni Grem. Kasi
Y'all don't
gusto,
understand, man.
hey man, kung
Brownlee.
mga G-Gen mag-subscribers, 50 pesos a month, that will greatly help, by the way.
All right.
We're still thinking about it.
Oo, ano masasabi ko na?
Brownlee, SJ,
Brownlee,
I have
SJ.
si Dave Ildefonso. Si Renza Bando is hindi di ba? KBL.
KBL.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
so,
pwede-
Renza
so-
Bando,
Baka pahiram sa'yo si Ren. Sige,
2,
papahiram.
di ba? Of course, QMB and Gio Chu.
Mm-mm.
Si Mason Amos. Is that the UAP season na ba?
UAP usually stops for SEA Games.
Okay, got it. Well, that makes sense.
11 days lang
Phil-
naman.
Kasi
Si
if
Phillips.
they don't DLSU will have 5 players left.
Actually.
The way
Walang
you
natira.
all recruited them. So I have Gio Chu and Mason Amos, si Phillips, si KQ, Javi, and 1 GDL. So I have 1 roster spot left. I'm seriously considering the last 2 guys that I just over. But
Clifford Hopia, it's your time. Ano na lang, si Joel Ponferrada lang.
I hate this place,
why
man.
not?
It's
Why
so
not? Diba?
stupid.
Why not?
Ay, si Mario talaga. Uy, si Joel, nakita ko dito sa Anytime Fitness. You sent him a photo.
He's a
Anyway.
big fan. Mario's a big fan.
Oh, yeah, he is.
And so my first pick in the center
Oh.
is Ben Adamos, and then so
Benado. Okay. So,
I'm just
12
kidding,
man
I'm
mo,
just
12 man,
kidding,
12 man mo, 12 man mo,
Hey,
Mario.
by the way, there's a reason Rapi Reeves retired from Magnolia. Probably a roster spot for him sa ano.
Para sumali sa Ginebra.
No. Sa Gilas, SEA Games. Who knows? It's probably the right. It's never too late.
Baka ibigay ni Norman.
I hate this dude. I hate this dude, man. This guy's so stupid.
Never too late,
Okay.
Rafi.
I got mine. Ready?
Yeah. So Mario sa'yo, let's to be clear for the people, no? Walang limit. This is the lineup na pumayag ang B-League. This is the lineup na pumayag yung KBL.
PBA.
Hindi, no PBA.
And-
PBA will never, they won't. The season
I
is
think may
ongoing.
have one
PBA
PBA
star
guy
ka ba,
here.
Mario?
Oh, sige, fine.
I have one PBA guy here because I know
Wala siyang
if
minutes
he
dito
asks
sa...
nicely, they'll let us borrow him.
Sige.
So this is also including the fact that I believe this is, by the way, my belief that it's passports only. That's what they call it, passports only.
Passports only.
So actually no, not passport. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Not passports only. So I do not have Remy or Kihei or Boogie Ellis here
Okay.
because I don't know what the possibility of them playing as locals are. So yun yung main ko dun. So first, I have Ange Kwame. Am I lagging again?
No, you're good.
Hello?
Ange
You're
Kwame.
good.
Okay ka. Ange Kwame.
Mike Phillips, Mason Amos, and QMB. Those are my four bigs. My wings, I have what's his name? Bobby Ray Parks. Matthew Wright, Renza Bando, Kevin Kiambao, Justin Brownlee, and the GOAT, Javi Gomez de Leano.
Okay.
Okay. Then sa guards, I have SJ Belangel, Juan Gomez de Leano, and because NLEX is such a big fan of the podcast, Robert Bolick. That's how...
Papahiram siya putik. 1 week siya papahiram.
And just because I truly believe NLEX will let us borrow him, Robert Bolick, man. That's how I believe it.
Bakit? Ano na ba kami? Undefeated ba kami during that time? Sige, gamitin mo na kami para buhaba record
Well,
namin.
Cyrus Torres and Enoch Valdez, bro.
And si JB Bahio.
Yeah, and JB Bahio.
Yeah.
Yeah, sadly, Bolick did beat Brandon Ramirez for the final spot. And he beat out so many players, if you ask me. He beat out Von Pesumal. He beat out Ben Adamos.
Nards
He beat
Pinto.
out... Just a random thought out here. I know he's not in any of our lists because he's in the PBA. But wouldn't it be kind of fun to see Josh Munzon in a Gilas jersey?
It would be
Guys,
fun.
Alam nyo,
It will be fun.
This just a random thought. We have not heard of this guy for quite some time. If Isaac Go is rehabbing, this is a good time to get reps.
He's not gonna be ready.
I know, but yeah, all I'm saying is Isaac Go.
He's not gonna be
Yeah,
ready.
if you need some reps, it's been a while, brother, since we've seen you.
This would have been perfect. This would have been perfect if he was cleared na. This would have been perfect to play in the SEA Games. Get some confidence back. Big chill.
Well, if we're on that trail, why not also put Kevin Alas? You know, Nico.
He's done. He's
brother,
done.
I'm a fan of Kevin Alas with Gilas. Remember Asian Games? He was already there.
Of course you are.
Of course, yeah.
Hey, no, boss, you heard it, boss?
Yeah. Promotion on its way. But there
I
are a
need
lot
my-
of names.
The black fans are outside.
there are a lot of names that na pinag-usapan natin. For me, it all boils down to it's just the SEA Games na my mentality is still we're the best team in Southeast Asia. Kasi tayo lang talaga yung country in Southeast Asia that really loves basketball the way we do. Football area talaga to di ba? I think we are the weird country na na mas gusto yung basketball. So we should win the tournament. Not easily, not as easy as it was mga 2013, 2015, but um I know you get what I'm saying. So that's my I
But
actually left one roster spot still. Hindi pa ako convinced. So you have JB and
I want to
Ange,
stir up some
Mario.
drama. I do have JB and Ange because I think Ange before was already considered a local. Kung tama ako, if I remember it correctly, he was already considered a local dati.
Okay. All right. So if that's the case, then we will win definitely. JB and Ange, that's cheat code for Southeast Asia.
Wait, I want to stir up some drama a bit before we go. I just want to
Ay,
ask
hindi,
both
you
of
know
you.
ball comment of the week before we end. Mamaya.
Wait, no, I have a question for both of you before we go. Genuine question. Why do you guys believe all of these names all of a sudden want to play for the Philippines?
Hindi ko rin na alam eh. Nagulat na lang ako, bigla na lang naglumitaw. Pero kay Remy Martin, matagal na niya tinitis na he wanted to play for Gilas, pero never lang talaga pinaprocess ng Gilas or ng SBP. Or we don't know, he just doesn't broadcast it, nor the league. Or the organization pala, not a league. I really don't know bakit bigla na lang naglitaw. Pero yung sa mga local players, parang preference ba kayo na coach? Parang dun
I
papasok
have
yung
two
utak ko eh.
answers.
Pwede
I
naman
have
kayo
two
magbigay ng pangalan
answers.
pala before eh. Yun yung naisip ko.
Yeah, I have two answers. One is BS, the other one is not. So
Ano yung BS
I'm
mo?
not gonna say the not BS answer. My BS answer is kailan ulit ang tournament? December?
December 9
November.
to 20.
Okay. All right.
20,
My
yeah,
BS answer is iba kasi ang Pasko sa Pinas. Kaya gusto na lahat umuwi.
Okay, okay. Wala nga
That's
sila
my
sa
answer.
Pinas eh. Nasa ano
Ay,
sila,
mga kaya
Bangkok, Brad.
Kaya nga, uwi nga sila.
Ah,
Siyempre,
okay.
pagtapos nila sa Bangkok, di ba, uwi sila dito. And then it's
Okay,
gonna be break all over the world.
Very
diba?
good, very good.
It's very logical, brother.
Wag mo na ibigay yung
Politician ka
non-BS.
talaga?
Wag mo na ibigay yung non-BS. Okay na.
Brother. Yeah, that's my answer. Then that's the most logical answer too. If I'm talking to a first grader.
Alright. So yeah, the ball comment of the week. Where the heck is it, guys?
Sa, ano mo naman, binop mo.
Did I bump it? I did. This is from the video when we talked about anong nangyari sa Gilas versus Australia. What's next para sa 2025 FIBA Asia Cup? This is from Mr. Anonymous -J4X. I'm not gonna read the whole thing. It's super duper long, but Nico will flash it here now.
Yeah, I'll flash the comment. It's easy to, ano naman. Kasi patapos.
Yeah.
I know where to insert this, but yeah, we agree on what he said. That's a really great comment. Knows the rules of FIBA. Very clear with his points. Pero yes, keep on coming with your comments, guys. We read.
We'll choose one every
majority.
time.
Yeah.
That's Mario's burner account, by the way.
Yeah. That's why it says anonymous.
AKA Mario Manlupa.
And then shout out to sorry.
Oh yeah,
guys. Shout out to
out.
you, Ramil Adarna 7112.
Hey, there's a guy I want to shout out from
Oh, go.
From TikTok who commented because I have a TikTok at Gremnel, guys. If you want to follow. Si Lance Damolo, sabi niya, hey, kala ko sa 6-1 podcast na itong makikita sa PBL din pala. So thanks. I'm a hybrid guy, I'm electric and gas kind of person. So thanks for the support. Yun. We appreciate y'all. Minsan madaling araw na pinag-uusapan pa namin Lanico yung mga comment nyo, di ba? Whether good or bad.
Mostly the good. Kasi again, we made the pact na negative comments will not get entertained. Actually, they will be erased. Or they will be, or at most, ano tawag ito? We will delete this user from the channel. Or hide this user from the channel. No space for that in the community. We are super clear about that. And I'm sure, so, good vibes na tayo dito, guys. Safe space namin to. Huwag kayo maging...
That is correct.
Safe space na to lahat. Even yung mga commenters, diba?
Yeah,
so,
and again, wait for a year and a half. We're gonna have a new segment when it's okay to put it in.
Para graduate na si Mario. Para graduate na si Mario.
Yo,
Lantaran na. There will be signs. Dabi ka money. There will be signs.
there will be signs.
There will be signs.
There's a sponsor who will be coming in. And that's all we're gonna say about that, man.
There will be signs. Sabi ka may bagong kotse si Mario. There will be signs. Where'd you get that?
By the way, one last thing. During our QMB pod, si Mario
Oh.
was talking about parang it opens up a roster spot for someone who's big that can shoot or who can shoot, di ba Mario? Parang gano'n yung sinabi mo. Big man who can shoot. Is it time for Prince Caperal and Aldrich Ramos to
Oh
don
my
the
God.
Gilas? Aldrich Ramos to don the Gilas colors again and Prince Caperal to try it for the first time.
He lagi
Yo,
no.
you know, I disconnected for a bit. For a bit, and the thing I came back to was Prince Caperal and Andre Ramos.
Yeah, exactly.
All the more he
Kasi-
wanted to log off now. Like, oh,
'Di ba? Kasi sabi mo it's time for big men who can shoot para, 'di ba? Because we have QMB now. Parang it opens up a spot. So, about Prince Caperal and Aldrich Ramos, 'di ba? For Gilas. Just,
Yeah, dude, man, as well. Yeah, why not? Why not anybody? Why not freaking? Let's put in Sydney on Ubere while we're at it, brother. Let's put in anybody who can put the ball in a basket. You know?
yeah, right.
But
You're crazy.
but yeah, yun lang naman guys. Thanks for listening. This is some good news. You wanted to have a podcast this week. So, buti may lumabas na SEA Games news. And as always, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is Six Man Podcast with Nico, Mario, and Graham. Keep supporting us as always. Comment lang kayo. And peace.
Adios amigos. Congrats PLDT.